Well, it's December 23rd, and the day before the day before. And this is blue light, and you can see how the oil fluoresces. Now looking up here, can you see the oil fluorescing in there? I don't know how to suppress this light. Hang on, I'm going to try this again. Okay, video with no light. Good. So there's oil. Here's the stopper. That's just fluorescing. But look in the back there. Let me zoom a little. Now, I don't know, but I think you see the oil back there. That looks like it might be coming from the gasket area. Hard to tell, no? Okay, now following it down here, it goes down to the bottom of the case. And here's a leak around the shaft of the pump. Now, here is the drip point coming off of the gear. So that's where it's dripping from. You can see it building up. It's not in the case underneath it. Well, yeah, it is. See it coming on there? So it's coming off of there, coming here, and dripping down here. Okay, I'll tell you what, I was hoping that this would not be an oil pump problem, but I fear that it is. You see all that fluorescing light, fluorescing oil. Back there, down there, over here, completely separate. This is the one I think is the problem, the shaft seal. I've never taken one of these pumps apart, so I'm not going to do it now either. All right, I'm going to take the pump off and send it to AMR, get an opinion. But frankly, I think it's time to buy a new oil pump. Interesting. Okay, don't know what else to say.